What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. What a nice looking truck. Nothing but the best. Right there, babe. This sweet dude came in for a wiper problem. Alright, this truck, the customer's complaint was that the automatic windshield wipers turn on when it's not raining. This is the first time I've actually had to mess with the rain sensing wipers, and you guys can see we have quite a few selections to choose from. So we're going to go through those and try to diag what's going on with this. First and foremost, we have to hook up IDS and hook to our computer so that we can pull up the DTCs in the steering column control module. This is the one I got. Wiper mode switch component failure. It says if the windshield wipers are inoperative, install a new wiper washer switch, but mine actually work. So I'm actually going to go down to the symptom chart and select a symptom, and I selected the rain sensitive wipers have erratic, inconsistent operation. So we're going to go to pinpoint test F. And I have low speed wipers when it's on the low speed setting. Let's check it out. Okay, in the slow setting, and our wipers are going slow. So we can answer yes to that. F2. Are any diagnostic trouble codes present? I do, but remember what that DTC said. It said replace the wiper washer switch if the wipers didn't work, but mine do work. So we're gonna answer no right now. And oops, that's a right click. Go to F3. Is the rain sensitive feature enabled in the IC? It is. Sorry about this background noise. So we're going to go to F4 and we're going to pull up a bunch of PIDs in the steering column control module and see if the switch corresponds correctly to each setting selection. So I've already gone ahead and I have IDS pulled up. And we are live. So right now we are off. Nothing's on. I'm going to turn it to the first click. We have one pass, and we have nothing on. I gotta update it. This is one patch too late. Nothing is on. So I'm gonna go to the next one. Okay, watch these. Intermittent selection number 3 turn on. Go to the next one. That still says on. The next one, that still says on. Okay, that's off. Now our slow is on. The next one, intermittent 6 is on, slow is off. Now I'm going to go to the slow setting like we did in the beginning. That is correct. I'm going to go to the high setting. That's correct. High setting off. I'm back on low. I'm going to go to the 5th position. 6 says on. Go to the next one. It goes back to off, but slow is on. Go to the next one. Intermittent number 3 is on, and I'm on selection number 4. So nothing is corresponding to the switch selection, and it says install new wiper washer switch. So we're gonna do that. Alright, we have the new multifunction switch. They just dropped it off. If you have a 17 Super Duty and you have automatic rain sense wipers, this will be the multifunction switch that you would be expected to pick up. No big deal taking the clamshell part. It's just a couple of clips that go pretty much in all four corners. These hooks right here actually go through a little loop right here. This is got a little place for it to hook on in the back, and just drop the bottom down. Got a bunch of 5.5 millis. This truck is equipped with power tilt and a adjustable steering wheel. I've already gone ahead and removed it because I wanted to double check to make sure that this was going to be the proper repair, because this is the first one I've ever had for a multifunction switch in the new body style. But this ear goes underneath this ear, so I had to remove this switch. Came right out, pulls right out, and then I was able to take that top bolt out, a little screw out, and this literally pulled right out. It comes in contact with the clock spring behind the steering wheel. You can see the grease in there from the factory. But yeah, so we put the new one in, and I wanted to show you now the difference in the readings we were getting from comparing to before, or the old switch. So right now they're off. I got one's on, wipers going. Okay. Got 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know why it didn't go to 2, but that didn't work, that didn't work, and just those two did with the old one. So already right now we're seeing a change in how this is operating. There's our slow, there's our fast, there's our wash, and then all off. So conclusion, multifunction switch is what fixed our concern. And the DTC that, if you guys remember, that I had was that B1018, or what was it? B1008, wiper motor switch component failure. So everybody, let me know if you've had to replace your multifunction switch on your newer model Super Duty, if you've had any weird concerns. Gotta fill it up. And make sure to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. See you next Friday.